Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the Jekanori, and it is a grounding mat. So we're gonna take a look at this and show you guys how it works and what it all is. The box is empty here, and here's all the stuff. Here is the instruction right here. It says grounding mat. Ground your life. Yeah, just basically explains how you can put it in there, use it for yoga or whatever, so you can have a nice holistic grounding going on. Let's see if we can open this up here. So this ground test pen. So this is it here. So this is what the mat looks like here. So you can put this, I guess, like under your yoga mat or wherever you need to feel like you want to be grounded. And then if we can open this up, there we go. So here's how it all works. So this is going to plug into, the third plug on your on the wall outlet, that bottom round one. So you plug this into the wall, and then this here, oh, it's good. We got a little bit of slack here, and then this here is going to snap onto this. I use like little grounding mats when I do my electronics and things like that, so it's the same kind of concept. But this one here is for your body and all. So here, and then you just plug that in, and then you have the mat is grounded, so it'll go all the way to the ground of your electric system. So it's really cool. So here, like if you look at the little instruction manual here, you can use it while watching TV and just kind of put it under you while you're working. So it does have it as a little mat on the computer too. That's what I kind of use it for. Sleeping, yoga. You can have it with your pets, or you can give it as a gift. How funny is that? But it's just basically a nice little thing. It makes you feel good if you're into that type of thing where you want to feel grounded and connected to the earth. This will give you the connection to the earth you need, because this will be plugged into that little third outlet on the plug, and that goes all the way to the ground. So you'll be one with the earth. So I'm up here in a big old apartment up on a high floor. All I do is plug this in, and now I am one with the ground. So very cool little device. I like it. Makes you feel good. So thumbs up.